Welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install the Java, that is JDK 8 version in my Ubuntu 20.04 LTS desktop 64-bit. You can also install a Debian Linux Mint latest version, and you can also install any version which you want to install, like suppose level 12 or any version in place of it. So now I am going to install that one. So before installation, first of all, update the system by typing sudo apt-get update. So once it get update, we'll check the Java version whether it's having install or not in my system. By typing java space hyphen version, it will be sure that there is no Java installed in my system. For installation, like default, if you type this command, it will be install the version of, you can see as on the screen, or it will be installed the latest one, like this default, which version is running, the default one, it will be installed. The default one, it will be take and install. And if you go to the website of the JDK, open JDK means Java website, there you can check the search also that which Java latest version is having a running. So here, so it is also, I think the 14 one is also is there. If you want to install, just copy this command to install the 14 one or the 13 one or the 8 one. If you want to install the 8 one, here is there, and for the 11 one. So I am going to install the JDK here. So this is the command from the open JDK apt repository installing. So just type and enter it here. So the following new packages will be installed along with that. So you can see this will be installed along with that, and then suggested packages are here for that one. So the additional packages will also be installed from here to here, like GRE8 and Atlas. So you can see we don't need to install this one because it already has been installed. If we type this command, open JDK -8 JDK means it will be installed along with the open JDK 8. It's here, this one is there, headless. So here it is also showing headless is there. So in this way it will be installed. Or if you want to install the version, different version for the Java means, just replace 8 with any version like 11 or 12 or 14, like that version, or 10, any version. Just add it and install it. And once that completed the installations, let me it's processing. And here also the one method is there for removing the Java. Okay, so to remove Java JDK in your system, either you can type this one command, that means default one, it will be removed. For the particular version, you can use this command for particular version and just remove the level and add your version to remove the Java. And this one also, the command to remove that one, you can use any one from this above one to just replace the level. In place of level, you can add your version which you have installed. And by typing Java version, it will be show us that we have installed 8 or level 12, 10. Just after seeing the version, just type here the number here. Okay, and I suggest you to type this command instead of typing these 3 commands or 1 command. You just use this one command. This is the best good command, and it will be installed automatically. So like if you remove this command and press tab here on the keyboard, from the tab, if you type here two or 3 times, if you press the type, it will be show the we have installed the version also. Like you want to remove, like it's for the point of the user, it may be install the 8 version along with the 11 version. That means two version it will be installed. 8 and 11 both are running in one system. So if you check that you can which version is had been installed, how many versions had been installed. The same thing happened in my system also. So when I type this command, it has shown the 2 version, that is the one is the 8, another is the level 1. So I have removed the both one, and after that I am installing. So just type that command and it will show us. And to remove this particular folder is there inside that one. So this is a command. So it's may taking some time to complete that one. Let's complete it. Wait for a few minutes. directory which I told you that here it's creating here. So you can see this one is creating the path here, same here. So once I full screen make it, so you can see 89% is completed, done showing. So just wait few minutes here. But I use this one is there. Space icon version. So as you can see, I have installed the 8 version of Java again. Now you want to see this command which I have told you, showing or not. So just type T here and press the tab key here. So on the screen you can see like this, it will be showing you on your system if it is installed in a different kind of version also, like instead of 8 the here it will be shown 11 also. So just type the version and you can remove it. So if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. This is my Ubuntu and you can see the version is 20.04 days. So please subscribe to my channel and share my channel to your friends and relatives, and thanks for watching my video.